Alrighty, here's a Cobra 29. And we've got it hooked up to the dummy load with the meter. And we've got a receive radio here so we can see what it sounds like, and the dogs are down here growling. I went ahead and turned the modulation up a little bit on it, not too much. Still sounds good. So we're on channel 20. We're on the 50 watt scale. Watt dead key.
Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Audio.
And I'm not screaming on the radio, it sounds like it because I have this here.
Hello, hello. So you can hear what it sounds like. Hello, testing. Cobra 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, audio.
And that's right up in the mic. I can back out. Sounds cleaner.
Hello, hello. Audio check, check, check. Audio check. Hello, audio check. I'd say she's working good. All right. Thanks for watching.